Hello, in front of me I've got Pulsar ZywOo. In this video I'll show you how to install additional weight. In the beginning, using the provided screwdriver, remove two screws from both sides here. Those are these screws. Now place your fingertip, nail or anything thin between shell and base and carefully slide it so you will unlock the shell. Now lift it up, but carefully because the shell is connected to the base motherboard. You can twist it a little bit, and now right here we've got this weight. The weight goes here. Just take a look. Here we've got little plastic that stands over the base, and here we've got the place we can install the screw. As you can see on the weight, it has two holes. Insert it like this, so one hole goes into this standing over plastic and one is above the screw hole. In the end, inside this package we've got screw for installation. Make sure to use this short screw because this one is shorter, this hole is shorter than other holes. Also, make sure that the thinner part of the weight is facing down, because below it we've got cables from the battery. Once you set it in and screw the screw in, make sure to close the mouse carefully, like this. And slide it a little bit forward. Once it's closed, remember to install screws, and the weight has been added. The difference is very subtle between weightless and with weight, because the mouse itself weighs about 59 grams. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.